Taming the horse of habit. Understanding reining in. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to unravel the essence of a commonly used phrase in the English language: reining in. This term packs a punch of imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. So, let's get started and learn what it means to rein in something, whether it's an impulse, expense, or a literal horse. The phrase, reining in, comes straight from the horse's mouth, quite literally. To understand this expression, picture a horse and a rider. The reins are the long, narrow straps attached to the horse's head that the rider uses to give commands. When a rider pulls on the reins, they are telling the horse to slow down or stop. So, reining in metaphorically translates to gaining control over something that is metaphorically running away, or needs to be slowed down for better management. You can hear reining in various contexts, from finance to personal behavior. Let's look at some examples. Budgeting. We need to rein in our spending if we want to save for our vacation. Business. The CEO is reining in on new projects until the company recovers from its losses. Personal habits. I'm reining in my caffeine intake to improve my health. In all these examples, reining in implies a reduction, restriction, or control over something. When using reining in, keep these tips in mind. It's often used with the preposition on, as in reining in on, but can be used alone. It's usually followed by a noun, which is the thing you are controlling. It expresses a deliberate action, often one that corrects or modifies a course. Don't confuse reining in with letting loose or giving freedom. It is the exact opposite. It's also different from reining in, which is not a valid phrase but a common misspelling based on the homophone rein, rain. Now, let's practice creating sentences with reining in. I'll give you a scenario, and you try to form a sentence using today's phrase. Scenario: your friend eats too much junk food. Your sentence, blank. Pause the video here and give it a try. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident in using the phrase reining in. Remember, learning English is like learning to ride a horse. It takes patience, control, and sometimes knowing when to pull back on the reins. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to look back at this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy learning, and see you next time.